Today we are going to be learning about figured bass. Let's begin. Figured bass is commonly known as intervals above the bass. It can be defined as a way of making triads or seventh chords commonly found in four-voice soprano, alto, tenor, and bass or keyboard music. Figured bass uses symbols to indicate types of chords, seventh chords, triads, and their inversions. Symbols can also indicate accidentals. Historical context.
Hi, my name is Bach. Back in the 16th century, these, like my beautiful organ I have right here, came into lots of churches during the late 16th century, like I said. And composers like me like to confuse musicians because that's how we get fun out of our jobs. And so what I do is I write down numbers at the bottom of the page, and I call that figured bass. Now other composers also do that to confuse their musicians. And basically, they would be playing the notes like this, just like that. And they would be playing with their feet at the same time, and they would write the notes, they would write the numbers at the bottom of the music, and it would tell them how to play the chord.
Although at first Bach's method was a bit confusing, figured bass is not calculus. This is a chart of figured bass notation found in music. Pause the video now to record the information.
It's Bach again. Using figured bass notation was very inconsistent because some composers, like myself and others, thought the chord was just so obvious. But
Thanks, Bach.
Let's
Let's review the chart. Triads and seventh chords are notated differently in figured bass, but all figured bass numbers indicate how you construct a chord or triad based on the scale degrees above the bass note. For example, in root position, the figured bass obviously indicates that a triad is made of the bass note and the third and fifth scale degree. In addition, figured bass can indicate accidentals. A slash through a number means that it is raised, and a flat by a number means that it is lowered. Hopefully this video has helped you feel a little bit less like this, and a little bit more like Bach.
just like that.